Assalamu alaikum. I'm the National Ameer of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Association UK. We are here at the Jalsa site. Alhamdulillah, there's a lot of activity, and inshallah the guests have started to arrive. And these are the guests of the Prophet Islam. And inshallah tomorrow the main event starts, and we are certain that by that time inshallah everything will be ready, and hopefully the guests will enjoy the next 3 days, both spiritually and also in terms of comfort. We will inshallah look at the best we can.
Any message, Ameer Saab, to the viewers?
My message to the viewers is this is a very important event, so special prayers are required from all of you to ensure that we have the success of this event, and special prayers for Hazrat Al-Mu'mineen, that may Allah assist him during these next 3-4 days.